Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're showcasing the COSCO 4-in-1 folding series hand truck with flat free wheels, a versatile and robust solution for all your heavy lifting needs. This innovative hand truck features a new folding toe plate, allowing for larger loads and compact storage, making it perfect for both home and professional use. With a heavy-duty load capacity of 1,000 pounds as a four-wheel cart and platform cart, and 800 pounds as a two-wheel hand truck and assisted hand truck, it's built to handle the toughest jobs. The quick one-hand conversion feature makes it incredibly easy to switch between different positions without the need for pins or tools, ensuring maximum efficiency and convenience. Its solid, maintenance-free tires are designed to never go flat, providing peace of mind and reliability on any terrain. The looped handle offers maximum control and makes maneuvering a breeze, even in tight spaces. Experience the ultimate in versatility and durability with the COSCO 4-in-1 folding series hand truck, your go-to solution for all your transport needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.